Okay. So
you want me to? How do you want me to talk? Please educate me on how I should do. Because when I'm saying something, you are silent. When I'm acting, you are silent. Right now, as I speak, 98% of the people who have cases in court are MDC leaders across the breadth and length. Some arrested in Warren Park acting, some arrested in Mlawa acting, some arrested in Harare acting. But it's an ongoing process. And like what Comrade Musa said, a revolution is never a walk in the park. It's not a one-day wonder. It's multiple actions, consistent, persistent, and resilient. And that's what we are doing. So this whole thing are saying, Chamisa is silent, some are saying Chamisa makes too much noise in ZANU-PF. It depends on where you are. And I can understand. It's a source of inspiration because I realize that people have hope and they want us to do something and say something more. And we will provide that more.
Thank you, Mr. President.